This is the checking video of ABDULLAH Kneader 3.5 kg capacity latest model AE390 being checked for a Daraz order of 2 units. This is the first unit being checked. This is the shipping label. 06 May 2024. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. You can see from the bottom also. Now we will start the machine and check it's working. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. Then we pack it in its genuine carton. We have added extra layer of bubble wrap at the bottom, and then there is this thermopore at the bottom. Then the machine will be put, and then this thermopore at the top. Then finally fragile stickers will be pasted. You will see the machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It easily needs to within 3 to 5 minutes. There you can see the machine has stopped, and now we will pack it for Daraz. It has a metal blade and a plastic blade, a measuring flask, and an instruction manual. This was the first machine of this order, and now we will check the second machine too and make its checking video. We will pack it in the brown sheet and bubble wrap or shrink wrap for safe packaging with fragile stickers on top.